Disappointed, eh? Our first round was fast. I should say this to the other class to say which bus is This is literally on my way home. Yes, I know. Ours too. Okay? Breathe! Nobody says you can get up. Can I start undoing them this side? Can I start, Mr. Paul, can I start undoing them here? When you go outside, you stand nicely. Together. Don't wander off. Okay. Oh, yeah, nicely, okay?